Hey everybody, Peter here. I'm on a trip to a magic convention in Las Vegas, and before the convention starts, we're gonna check out some things around Las Vegas, but off the strip. We're gonna go to downtown, we're gonna go to the Gambler's Warehouse. Come with us on this adventure. Now we're in downtown Las Vegas on Fremont Street. I've never been here, so I'm excited to check things out, see what it's like here. I had no idea they even have this here. It's called Container Park. Looks like they show movies here. Oh my god, dude, a magic shop. Let's check this out. Free magic demonstrations.
Hello.
Hey.
Hi. Look, because you're killing, name a card really fast.
5 diamonds.
5 diamonds. This is as fast as it gets. You ready?
Yeah.
Look, nothing in my hand. 5 diamonds, you said. Look at this.
It's like you printed it.
Or Diane, search me on YouTube.
What's your name on YouTube?
Or Diane, or O-R Diane.
Cool. If you want a poo pen.
Yes. You're going to find this card. Okay?
I'm gonna find his card. He hasn't told me.
Oh, there is no pre-show. It starts now. No pre-show.
Okay.
Name your card out loud. King of Clubs. King of Clubs. Now, this is amazing. What do you say?
I'm gonna say second.
Take a look at the second card.
What?
That's really nice. That's really nice.
I love all these like magic kits. Street magic, ultimate street magic kit.
Yeah. We got a My First magic set, we got ultimate kid sets, we got deluxe magic sets.
Oh, it's good.
It's a really touristy magic shop, but it was fun in there, hanging out with them. Got to do some magic with some people in there, and it was a fun time. Check it out if you're downtown. Yeah, all these things are made out of shipping containers, so even there's a barbecue here. It's cool, there's a tattoo parlor in the train. What is going on in here? Do we put our name on a sticker?
You get stickers for every purchase. Every dollar you spend, you get 1 sticker from participating retailers.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, now that's funny. And apparently this is one of the best whiskey bars in the country, and you can also get bow tie lessons. Crazy. And they got a fun like treehouse fort playhouse for kids. I really like the vibe of this place.
Yeah.
It doesn't seem very busy though, so I'm wondering like, is it successful? It's a weekend. And they have a heart attack grill here. If you're over 350 pounds, you eat for free. That feels wrong. It just looks like a bunch of patties. It actually doesn't even look that appealing to me. It's not like crazy enough. And they actually have a scale that you can walk onto and weigh yourself right here, which I'm not gonna do. But you can send, they say you can send your hate mail. They have the address you can send your hate mail to. And apparently they have the world's record for highest fat ice cream. I'm sure that's exactly how it's being made.
That place is pretty good. Try it.
Is it good?
That's crazy. And this is Slotzilla. This right here is where you can zip line. You can zip line over Fremont Street, all the way down there. It's pretty crazy. I'm not doing that. Couldn't pay me to do that. I always forget they have White Castle over in Vegas. But 24/7. You know, I'm afraid of heights, but that didn't look that crazy. They were moving slowly. Maybe I can handle that. Sports fans are crazy. Can you imagine wearing this around your neck? See, now this is old Vegas right here. Fremont Casino. 4 Queens. This reminds me of like Hollywood Boulevard if there was a lot more going on. It's kind of a little unsafe, a little creepy, but touristy and fun at the same time.
Mat 20 starts to get smaller. And smaller. Ooh. And smaller. This guy's amazing. What? Oh, thank you. Very nice of you. And the bill has vanished. Think there's any way your 20 with your name could be inside? See and remember this. Look, there is something inside. Yeah, let's move it up high. It is. Put it together for Matt. Even if you just got here, there you go.
At the very end of this strip, I found this hotel and casino, and I was like, is that it? Is that Biff Tannen's Pleasure Paradise from Back to the Future Part 2? And the answer is, of course it is. I don't know, I know this is super touristy, but I feel like there's something very charming about this place. Probably because it exists between these old casinos, and there's kind of like a huckster vibe to all these like street performers and stuff like that. It's fun. I'm not sure I'd bring kids here, but it's fun. I didn't realize that before the people that we saw coming came out of there, and actually the faster ones come from the top version. I wouldn't do that. What is going on here? It's apparently the Lift Art Park. So it's this. Do you want to play chess? I don't know how to play chess. I don't understand exactly what this was. Was it part of like Burning Man or something? I thought they burnt everything up in Burning Man after. Whatever it is, it's pretty damn cool. It's like a mobile house. So we did ask someone who worked there, and these are art installations that used to go to Burning Man. I don't think they still do. I mean, so you're walking just in downtown Las Vegas, you can check out some art from Burning Man. So while in Vegas, we had to check out the Gambler's General Store. This is where you can get like tons of decks, tons of... Actually, let's go check it out and see what's inside. Look at all these poker chips.
Look at those cases. I love them.
That's insane. Oh, and if you need cases for poker chips. Yes, you can buy them in bulk. Over here, just buy them singular. Oh, look at this. It's from a Simpsons slot machine, I think. See, and here's why we came here today. Because this place has cards. They have lots of cards. Cards all over the place. is insane. See, and they're smart because they leave one pack open. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I like the back of those. Oh, those are kind of freaky.
Nomads and also these black ones.
No thanks.
No.
If you need some mini playing cards, $1.99. If you don't like shuffling your cards, you can get a card shuffler. Or if you don't like holding your cards, they have handy card holders. So many decks of cards. It's hard to choose. And they even have decks from actual casinos. So like these decks were used at the Cosmo. Different casinos. Flamingo. Paris. And these are all like special bicycle cards. So like if you get this cocktail party bicycle deck, every card has a recipe of a cocktail. Kind of interesting. I didn't even see this room. They actually have some machines here, lots of books. If you want a table, it's like about $1,200 for a blackjack table. Any magic books here?
Biography of Houdini
Ah,
for $2.
deal. This is actually like a souvenir deck of cards. So if you're Robin, you can get a deck that says Robin's Casino. Let's see if they have Peter here. These look so old and beat up. And, oh, no Pete. So here's where you get books on horse and dog handicapping. Winner's Guide to different games. Powerful profits from slots. Oh, look at this. They even have DVDs and CD-ROMs on how to cheat at cards. Look at this huge slot machine. Let's try this. The words must match and the colors must match. Nope, I did not win. Just like Vegas.
Ah, 2 out of 3.
If your hands are so small for regular playing cards, you can get big playing cards, or you can get jumbo size playing cards. Oh, it's heavy. Look at this, you can dig into these chips and get a small bag of chips. It's only $5. Here's some of the more novelty character and IP oriented playing cards. If you just don't care about the quality of the deck, bargain decks, only 50 cents. So you can get a pack of HP branded cards.
Sorry. Easy vision cards.
Oh, so if you can't see well.
Or easy see low vision cards.
Must be for colorblind too, I'm assuming, with the colors. See, I grew up in Massachusetts and all the places had Hoyle cards. I have actually not seen Hoyle cards in quite some time. But this is what I grew up doing like magic tricks with. You got some bicycle cinema cards. I've never seen those before. Oh, so they got, oh, that's interesting, I think. What does the other side look like?
Huh?
What? Oh, they all have one. I'm confused. Look at that. And if you want to have sticks on your wall. They have a custom framed wall mount. So I would recommend checking this out if you're in Vegas and you want to get away from the Strip. This is away from the Strip. It's above the stratosphere. Tons of interesting things in there. If you want novelty decks of cards, if you want, you know, that top of a Simpsons slot machine, only $400, and it was pretty huge. But check it out here at the Gambler's Warehouse. Check it out here at the Gambler's General Store. Okay, so I think that ends our adventure here off of the Las Vegas Strip. Hopefully you found this interesting. Let me know in the comments below if we should do more of this. I know we mostly do like theme parks and movie events, but I thought you might find this interesting as I was exploring Las Vegas. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of our adventures, me and Kitra both, hit the subscribe button below. We'll see you on the next adventure. Thanks for watching.